Do you know that strengthening the muscles in your breathing passageways can help to reduce or even stop your snoring? The Stop Snoring program will teach you several simple exercises to strengthen the muscles in your breathing passageways and prevent you from snoring while you sleep. These techniques are purely physical, and don't involve any medications or breathing strips. Easy to follow instructions. They have detailed drawings that show you exactly what is going on inside of your mouth, nose, and throat as you perform the exercises correctly. Stop Snoring is based on the exercises that vocalists do regularly to improve the airflow from their lungs to their vocal cords. When those passages are strengthened, they remain wider and the air flows more freely all the time. They are simple exercises that target specific muscles in the throat and jaw so that your breathing passageways are maximized. Strong muscles remove blockages. When you have properly strengthened your jaw and throat using the Stop Snoring exercises, you will find that your snoring stops forever. Strengthening the muscles of your breathing passageways means that the benefits of the exercises stay with you all day and all night.
Find out more about the snoring exercises by clicking on the link below.